Hello everyone, my name is Obed Arguedas and this is Pura Vida Culture. Pura Vida Culture is all about Costa Rica, food, adventure and more. Today we are going to show you how to make Frijoles Tiernos or Frijoles Cubaces. These are the beans. Let me show you the beans. The beans are, you can get them in the United States or also Canada. They're like this color. They're the smaller, the one that you get in the United States, but they are really good as well. Also, we are going to need one cup of carrots, half a cup of cilantro, half a cup of bell pepper, half a cup of celery, 5 cloves of garlic, and half a cup of onions. A little bit of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning or beef seasoning, either way will be fine. In this case I'm going to use chicken seasoning, and I will tell you how much salt you need to. And also the meat, we're going to use 1 pound of pork, cut it in little pieces like that. So you cut it before you put it into the pan, because these beans are not too hard, so you can put everything together at once and cook everything at once. Like the other videos that I have made, like white bean soup, they're harder. These beans are softer. They won't take us long to cook. So what we're going to do is we're going to put everything together. Right now we're going to start with the meat. Just going to pour the meat into the. I put 12 cups of water. Also, after that we're going to add the beans, and after that we're going to add all the ingredients, all the carrots, the cilantro, the onions. You're going to add everything right away. So in this case everything will cook together, because these beans are not that hard. So that's why they call Frijoles Tiernos, because they're like tender beans. They're really soft. They're really yummy, by the way. And we're going to add the beef, the seasoning right away too. And we're going to try after they cook for about 15 minutes in a pressure cooker. We are not going to add salt yet. After they cook, we're going to try the salt and see how much they need. I will tell you at the end of the video the recipe how much they need. But something else that I have to tell you is that in a pressure cooker I put 12 cups of water, but in a regular pot you will probably add like 3 or 4 more, because it will dry out a little bit when you cook the everything. So we're going to let it cook for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to try the salt. While the beans are cooking, I'm going to show you, we're going to have also a Maracuya drink. So I'm going to show you how to do the Maracuya drink, Maracuya juice. So the first thing that you gotta do is cut the Maracuya. I'm going to use the pointy part of the knife, because they're really hard. We're going to cut them in half, all of them, and you're going to cut all of them in half. I already can smell the Maracuya. It smells really good. Look at these, guys. So this is how it looks. They're like some seeds. So we're going to cut all of them like that in half, and after that we're going to put them in a pot and cover them in water. We cut all of them. Hey guys, this is smelling so amazing. I don't know if you have tried Maracuya juice, but it's amazing. It's really good. In the United States they charge you like $4 for a little cup like that. You can do it here for really cheap. We got all of these for $2. So you just need the Maracuya and pretty much water it sugar. So we put all of them there. And after we have them all there, so we're going to put them in right here. I already have the heat on. And we're going to cover them in water. Ahí va el agua. Okay, right there. They're kind of floating, so you just put like, just where you see that they're kind of like covered with water. And we're just going to put a lid on and let them cook until they get really soft. So we just have to try them and see if they're soft, because I don't know how long they want to take. So you just need to keep washing them, and I'll tell you later. Hey guys, the beans are ready. I add 12 cups of water, but you can add only 10. With 10 will be fine. And I add 3 teaspoons of salt, but that will be in the recipe at the end. So the beans are ready, like you can see them. They're really good, by the way. And now, oh, the beans are ready. Look guys, how they are. They're amazing. You can just put the rice there if you want. Just put some rice here, or just eat it on the side, however you want it. And you can also put a little bit of lime or lemon. I like it like that too. So I'm going to explain a little bit how to do the rest of the Maracuya juice. And just for now, I'm just going to enjoy this. Guys, we already have this cook. You can see it right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the inside part, all the seeds and everything. And you're just going to put it right there in the pot again. And you're going to put all the outside part in a blender. I already have this blender full of them. And you're going to put some water, like maybe half a blender of water. And you're going to blend this part. This part right here. If I don't break everything there. Now I already blend everything, all the outside part. We're going to pour it into a colander. You're going to pour all there. All this. This has to be thick. This is a juice that it has to be thick, so you don't have to. You only put like half a blender, like you just fill it up halfway
with water.
With water, and later you start with the same juice that you have here. Just add it here. You are not going to blend. You're not going to blend the seeds, because if you blend the seeds, it's going to get all black. So the juice that you have already there, you don't blend that. You only pour it into the colander with all the rest, and you just start just like smashing it, yeah, and make sure they all gets into the whatever that
the pitcher.
Yeah, pitcher. Okay, so this is what you're going to do until you don't have anything here in the colander. If you see that nothing goes through, like it's happening to me right now, you just pour more water, and the water will hold. You just go a little by little with the water, because the thicker the better. But of course, if it's too thick, it's not going through. So you just pour more water and just start smashing it. You can see the seeds right here, so the seeds the same. You're just going to do this like that. And before it was too thick, so I pour a lot of water, and you just move it really fast. So even you can use your hands as well, if your hands are clean, of course. So you just keep doing it like that. Well, the juice is ready. After you blend everything, you just put sugar. You add as much as you want, and it's ready to drink. Now I want to enjoy this amazing drink. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. subscribe to this channel to see all the adventure that is coming. Now I'm going to enjoy this with this warm weather.